Hey guys, today I am using my homemade barbecue sauce that I did post in a previous shorts video, and I'm using it here on my baked chicken. And you can see that this chicken is succulent, guys. I can't resist this sauce, and you must go over and use that sauce, guys. Make it and let me know what you think. I'm going to leave the link for that sauce in the description box. Now first, let's go ahead and wash our chicken. I use the whole chicken. I just got it in 4, but you can use any part of the chicken. I add some salt, some white vinegar, and here I'm using some lemon. You can also use lime, but I just prefer the fresh lemons, all right? So this is how I clean my chicken, by using the skin of the lemon once I finish squeezing the juice and rubbing against the bones. And at this time I'm not going to add any water. I'm just going to massage it in, and as you can see, the water has been springing there from the lemon and the salt. And that's how I do it, guys. Look at how this chicken starts to get white. This chicken now is clean. It's not raw, it's not rank as we would say. There is no blood on it. You just have to make sure that you clean your chicken well. Once you clean your chicken well, you can start cooking it right away after you season your chicken, all right? So yes, this is a typical Caribbean thing, guys. Now, under the skin, I did remove the white kind of phlegm or slimy stuff that they have under there. As you can see, it's clean. And I love to leave the skin on the chicken because when you bake it, it makes your chicken juicy. Now I'm going to let it sit for about 5 to 10 minutes. Then I'm going to go in and add some water from the tap, from the pipe, and just let this chicken soak there for another 5 to 10 minutes. You want to make sure that this chicken is clean. Once I do that, I'm going to remove the water, pat dry it, and then I'm going to start my seasonings. Now this is my homemade green seasoning. I'm going to leave the link for this seasoning in the description box. Some smoked paprika, sorry guys, and yes, I'm using some Jamaican BBQ seasoning. Now at this time when you're seasoning your chicken, use any seasonings that you have on hand. You don't have to use the same type of seasonings that I'm using. Just make sure that you season your chicken well. And you can marinate your chicken overnight, an hour, 2 hours, or for as long as you want. I didn't leave mine to sit that long. As soon as I seasoned my chicken, I went ahead and cooked it. Because I knew that my chicken was going to come out succulent. Meaning that once your chicken is properly clean, it's going to hold that seasoning. It's going to receive that seasoning well onto the meat. So here I'm mixing a combination of seasonings. And of course I have to use mustard into mine, guys. Now as you can see, the chicken is looking really, really good. Smells good. That lime and salt and everything is on it. And in every crease of the chicken, I like to place my seasoning. Up in the bone, in the cuts, all over, even under the skin, guys. Yes, it's important to season your chicken all over. So try this method, and if you haven't tried my simple cooking method yet, you should. And you must subscribe, guys. Just don't watch at my videos. Please subscribe, like, and share my videos, all right? So here I season it, and I'm going to place the skin right over the flesh here. Now, when you finish baking your chicken, you don't have to use the chicken skin, all right? This is just a layer to trap that kind of juice in it and not to make your chicken dried out. So once I'm done seasoning it like this, I'm going to continue doing the rest. And I'm going to place them into a baking pan or any Pyrex dish, whatever you have at hand. And place them into a 275 oven and let it take its time and cook until they are golden brown, guys. Now I'm not gonna cover my chicken. I just place it as it is in the oven just like this. and it comes out pretty well. But before I do that, into the same bowl I season my chicken, I just add a little touch of water, just so that I can get the excess seasonings from the pan. Pour it up into there, and yes guys, just place it into the oven. Now it all depends on your oven's temperature, then that's how your chicken is gonna bake. So my chicken has been baked for about 4 to 5 minutes. And here I'm using my barbecue sauce, guys. Look at how thick this is. Rich, very tasty. Oh my goodness. Very nice. I'm telling you, I did store it. I have some more in a mason jar in my refrigerator. And I'm gonna be baking, guys. I can't resist this sauce at all on my chicken. This chicken is so good. Trust me on this when I tell you that. And the only ingredients needed are just the chicken pieces and any seasonings that you have on hand. And bam, that's what you have. A lovely oven baked chicken. Now that I'm done coating my chicken with my barbecue sauce, I place it back into the oven, turn the oven off, and let it just sit there for about 20 minutes. And that's it. My chicken is done. Oven baked chicken with my homemade barbecue sauce. Look at how succulent this is, guys. So go give it a try, and thank you for watching. Leave me a beautiful comment, and don't you forget to like, subscribe, and share. Thank you for watching, guys. I'll see you in the next video.